Hi friends, I'm Ajisha and welcome to my little channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a few yogurt based recipes. Yogurt or curd, as we say in India, is a superfood for babies. It is packed with proteins, fats, carbs, and is super nutritious for baby. So today I'm going to show you how I make my baby eat yogurt more nutritiously, and I hope it will be helpful to others as well. So here we go.
My first fruit yogurt is yummy and nutritious combo of mango, apricots, banana and whole fat yogurt, and have already sliced them up, and now I am going to put everything into my blender and blend it into a smooth fruit yogurt. Now for older babies, if you add little bit of filtered, boiled and cooled water, it will become a smoothie as well. But my baby, she prefers yogurt. So that's it, my apricot, banana, mango yogurt, a fruit yogurt is ready to serve, and I serve it right away, and my cutie pie loves it. My second fruit yogurt is a super health powerhouse combo of strawberry, blueberry, banana and organic whole fat yogurt. I have already sliced the strawberries and the bananas as needed, and again I am going to blend everything as much as I need into a smooth yogurt in my blender. Since those blueberry skins are still floating in my yogurt, I am going to strain it for a smooth and fine fruit yogurt just the way my baby girl likes it. And that's it, my fruit combo of strawberry, banana, blueberry and yogurt is ready to serve, and I serve it fresh because sometimes the strawberry and the blueberry has the tendency to make this fruit combo curdle, so serve it right away. My third fruit yogurt is a healthy combo of plum, banana, raisin and whole fat yogurt. First thing, I am going to soak the raisins in some warm filtered water and keep it aside to soften it up. Meanwhile, I am going to chop a few very ripe plum and banana and keep it aside. Then I am going to discard the water I used to soak the raisins, and then put the raisins, the plum and the banana and the yogurt, everything into my blender and blend it into a very smooth yogurt. I also strained it for a very fine yogurt, and that's it, my fruit combo of plum, banana, raisin and yogurt is ready to serve. Serve it with lots of love, as always and always. My fourth fruit yogurt is a very nice combination of strawberry, blackberry, banana and whole fat yogurt. So here I have a few blackberry, strawberry and a small portion of banana as I need, and again I am going to put everything into my blender and blend it into a smooth fruit yogurt. And that's it, my fruit yogurt combo of strawberry, blackberry, banana and whole fat yogurt is ready to serve. Serve it fresh and serve it with lots of love. My fifth fruit yogurt is a delicious and healthy combination of sweet cherries, banana and whole fat yogurt. So here I have a few slices of banana, a few sweet cherries and yogurt. So first I am going to remove the seeds from the sweet cherries and then put everything into my blender and blend it into a smooth, fine yogurt. And that's it, my fruit combo of sweet cherries, banana and yogurt is ready to serve. Serve it fresh and serve it with lots of love.